Hi there, welcome back to Simon Says. Today I'm going to give you a short intro into having a look at the latest piece of equipment that I have bought to improve the audio quality of my channel, the RODECaster Pro. So let's have a look. So looking at the RODECaster Pro, this is an amazing tool which has really turned around my audio production. Now this is the first version of the RODECaster Pro. There is a RODECaster Pro 2 available now, which for me was going to cost about 1,400 New Zealand dollars. So when I was looking at this device, I saw it in the shop, loved it, but for me it was a little bit too much money for me to spend at this stage in my YouTube career. So I did have a look on Trade Me, which is our local New Zealand auction bidding website, and I came across this RODECaster Pro first version, and I got it for about 450 New Zealand dollars, which was a real steal. Came from a legal firm that used to run their own podcast, and they were selling it off for a really good price. So I thought I'd introduce you to this product, show you what it does, and just gives you a little bit of an insight into how I've been improving the audio performance of my channel. Now, my next step is going to be buying a camera, and I'm currently looking at the Sony SV1, but that's also another investment. So let's have a look at this audio product. So the beauty about this is it has 4 channels in. So say, for example, if you want to do interviews or podcasts, you can have 4 individual XLR microphones coming in here, and you can select from any one of these mics to actually make adjustments. You've then got your sliders, so your volume sliders for each channel, which are really nice and easy to use, and good quality feeling to them as well. Now down the bottom here, we can either a channel, or we can make sure that we're listening to a specific channel on our headphones. Okay, now talking about headphones, we have 4 individual headphones here. So each person that you're interviewing on their microphone can adjust their own audio in their headphones. So that's really great as well. We also have a speaker output, so we can run this out to a set of studio monitors if we wanted to do that. All right, so if we have a look at the other channels on this product, we have a USB, so that can pull in audio from my computer. We have a phone input, so we can plug our phone in there if we want to bring audio in there. We also have a Bluetooth input. Now the Bluetooth is really cool. I've now connected that up here to my iPhone, and if I press play there, you'll hear that the audio starts coming in, and we can mix that in and out using that. So that's pretty cool. Now we also have these sound effects. Now these can be programmed to any sound effect. So for example, we can go there. Got all these different sound effects. So that's quite cool. All right. So the beauty about this device as well is that it has a built-in SD card. So it's a full 4-channel audio recorder. So I can press the record button, and there we go. You can see my timer. It's starting to record for me. That will save that to my SD card, and then I can upload from there to my computer, or I can plug that in and use it directly from the SD card. So we'll just stop that recording. Now, if we look at the individual channels, okay, we can select what type of microphone you're using. I'm using a condenser microphone from my Scarlett. I bought a Scarlett set, which included a condenser microphone. Works really well for me. At the office, I've purchased some of the Rode pod mics. Now, these work also very well. Only thing I've found with a Rode pod mic is that it's dynamically a bit low in gain for this device, and some people think you need a cloud lifter. So that's why I'm using my condenser mic, and it's working really well. Okay, we can adjust the level, so we can go in there, we can see our levels, and you can see there it's now correct. We could bring it up or we could bring it down. We've obviously got phantom power here because this is a condenser microphone. The other thing we have, and this is really awesome, is we have audio processing built into this device. So if we turn the audio processing off, you can probably hear the audio quality has changed quite a lot. This now turns it on, and one of the latest software updates actually allows you to go in and individually tune these different effects. So we can go back to the high pass filter, for example. We can back to the de-esser. We can make adjustments there. We can go to our effects, for example, and we can tune it down or up. So there's all sorts of effects we can do as well. So I thought I'd run this video, just a brief introduction showing you the sound interface that I'm using now. And as I say, this has been a really great introduction to improving my channel on the audio side. And my next goal is to start investing in some more video equipment. So as I say, my first choice is going to be get a camera, and then I'm going to look at lights and also at my backdrop. So it's a continual process of increasing and improving my YouTube channel to try and bring all of you better quality videos. So please feel free, give me some feedback. If you've got any topics you'd like me to discuss or any devices you'd like me to review, please let me know. I'll be only happy to oblige. Anyway, that's all for me now. Have a great week. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now.